Hello, dear children. I hope you all are well. Today, we are going to see a presentation on development of entrepreneurial skills. This skill involves a different type of activities for entrepreneurship. So, children, it involves as an entrepreneur is the person who takes risk and starts something new. And entrepreneurship is a process of identifying and starting a new business venture, sourcing and organizing the required resources. So, children, what are the characteristics of entrepreneurial skills? Can you justify? Yes, you are capable for justifying. So, let me discuss about these characteristics: confidence, competition, drive, flexibility, core values, and problem solving. These are the main characteristics of an successful entrepreneur that is highly appreciated and useful. So, in the same way, children, these characteristics are useful for a successful entrepreneur. Entrepreneurial skill involves ability to plan, marketing, interpersonal skill, personal effectiveness, team building skills, leadership skills, and communication skills. Self confidence also a part of effective communication in entrepreneurial skill. Now, some personal qualities of successful entrepreneurs: creativity, personality, need for achievement, leadership, risk taking, and energy. So, there are some stages of effective entrepreneurial development involves empowerment, learn from direct experience, business planning, vision building, acceptance, awareness. So these stages having their different meanings. This involves as the different stages of entrepreneurial development. So, children, awareness, acceptance, vision building, business planning, learn from direct experience, and empowerment. Now, entrepreneurial skill development programs for a successful business planning. Personal development involves goal setting, that means you have to set the goal. Time management is an also important factor in personal development program in a business activity. Team building is another important aspect of this entrepreneurial skill. Now let's discuss about some business development that involves setting out the critical path, that means longest sequence of activities in a project plan, managing the process and reducing the risk, business planning. So, children, these all activities comes in business development criteria. Now, marketing principles, market research, market segmentation, product price and place and packaging. These all are also a different aspect of marketing principle. Now, children, you should learn the barriers of an entrepreneurship that cause a major effect: poor absent infrastructure, lack of training facilities, lack of support service and trained extension staff. These all creates a barriers because we need a supportive business performance. I hope, children, you have understand this chapter well.